1.1.4, this is a fraction, and the fraction is a particular fraction that's different from some of the normal fractions you've done at the beginning. Of course, we have covered stuff like this as well, and the stuff like this I'm referring to is the fact that we've got in our numerator a plus sign separating these terms, so the numerator has in fact more than one term, which means that we approach this differently. There's more than one term in the numerator, but they share the same denominator, and that means I can separate the two terms and essentially make two separate fractions, which will allow me to simplify this easier. So if I split these two numerators and write them as separate fractions over the same denominator, I'm going to have negative 3x to the power 7 over 3x to the power 6 plus 18x to the power 12 over 3x to the power 6. So I've split them. I'm using the same denominator because the two terms in the numerator, they share that same denominator. So it's like saying 3 plus 2 over 7 gives us 5 over 7. It's the same as saying 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7 still gives us 5 over 7. It is that concept that we are, or that structure, that concept we're using here. Only we are busy with an algebraic expression and algebraic fractions, so we can now simplify these individual fractions a lot easier. So for the first one, we've got negative 3, again the negative here, negative 3 divided by 3 gives us negative 1, and if I can just write the negative ones along, and then I've got two powers, x to the power 7 and x to the power 6, so same base. I keep the base and I'm going to subtract this exponent, so that's 7 minus 6. So x to the power 7 minus 6, I'm going to just show what I'm doing here and just simplify the next step. Plus, I've got in the second fraction 18 divided by 3, that will give me 6. And then I've got x to the power 12 over x to the power 6, that will be x to the power 12 minus 6. Because I'm dividing here, so I need to subtract the exponents. Simplifying this, I remember I don't need to write the 1, so I'll just write negative x to the power of 1, which also is not shown. So 7 minus 6 is 1, so in algebra we don't write the 1, so that is just negative x. And here I've got plus 6 x to the power 12 minus 6, which is 6. Please, again, we are finished here. We cannot add the stuff because they are not like terms. Okay, whenever you want to add something, whenever you want to add two terms, please first check if your letters are the same and the exponents are the same, which in this case they are not, because that's 6 and this is 1. Not like terms, you are done.